It's because it's Halloween, guys. October 30 is a month of Halloween here. It's the Halloween time. So, that's why there's a lot of chocolates, as you can see. Paanohan na naman ng chocolates. Pabunggahan ng chocolates. This one is $10 plus tax with 50. So, there you go. Have fun. Have fun lang kasi I won't buy much chocolates anyway. So, grabe ang chocolates dito, guys. Kasi they all love people here love chocolates. You see? Grabe sila dito mag-Halloween, guys. See, ang tender, iba-iba ang ano. It's Halloween. Ang Halloween siya. Grabe sila dito basta Halloween na. It's a big ano sa kanila. It's a big event for Halloweens. Grabe yung ano nila talaga basta Halloween gani. Grabe siya. See that one? Oh, there are kids. Kitty. There you go. Basta Halloween talaga dire. Grabe to siya. Ooh, $10 for this one. Who love Ferrero? Who loves Ferrero? Pero masarap din yung Lindor talaga. Yung Lindor ang masarap. Pot of gold nila, oh. So you know what's nice in here? When it's turtles. Oh my god, they're so good. Turtles. Turtles and Mercy. And here's the Toblerone. $13. Mas ano siya, turtles. Mas ano siya, guys, if it's ano pag after Halloween they're ano nagsisale sila. See, ang daming Ferrero or Toblerone. Anong gusto niyo? Grabe, Ferrero. Ang Toblerone. Ang quality is $325. 24.62 plus ano pa rin siya. This is also good. It's also good. So,